Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video. I actually have quite a few unboxing videos to get through today, so you may see a succession or like a bunch of unboxing videos come out just because with everything going on they kind of get backed up, and so I won't see any for like a couple months and then suddenly they all appear. So unfortunately it's going to be a little bit like that until there's some sort of normality back with the postal services. But yeah, I don't think I've unboxed anything from Kawaii for a while, so I'm very excited for this one. I'm actually really excited for anything Halloween, so I'm hoping most of these boxes will be Halloween themed. And yeah, this is the October box. I love this color theme for Halloween. I don't know if you guys seen my bullet journal for October, but this is the theme I'm going for, kind of this orangey purple look. Really nice. Similar to the Simply Gilded, I think I'm missing the September Kawaii box because I think the last one I unboxed was August. So I don't know, September seems to be a weird gap month for some of the subscription boxes, but let's just get on with the unboxing. This is the, I can't pronounce it, it starts with I, but this is like the final form Pokemon for the latest Pokemon game on Switch, which I played right to the end. And this was my main Pokemon that I used to finish off the game, just because the final Pokemon you fight is Charizard? Is that the name? I'm really bad with this because I didn't grow up watching it addictively. I was more just like around it a lot. But yeah, it's a fire element, and so because this one's water element, it was perfect for it. Anyways, I digress. This is just corn puffs, Coco Compass. Oh, this is so cute. This is definitely Sanrio character. I don't think I remember the name of this particular character, but it's definitely Sanrio, and it's very Halloween themed with the little skull on its head. Let me try and open this up. Yeah, it definitely has like My Melody vibes to it, except much more cross and angry. It's so soft and cute. I love it. Oh, it's Jimby-san stickers. They're really thick stickers though. They almost look like candy, to be honest. Like even the packaging low-key reminds me of candy. But this is what they look like. I'm going to open this up. I'm so excited for these. A little bit like, I don't know. I love the stickers as stickers themselves. But I hate that I can't use them in my planners. Actually, did I cut this enough? Yes. Because they're going to add so much depth. They're going to add so much bulk to the planners. So they're almost like little sequency plastic. I don't know how to describe them, but they're quite thick and they are raised, you can see. So they're really more, like I'd use these for covers for a lot of my new notebooks and planners. So that's what I'll use it for, but they're so nice. And it's Jimby-san, how can you not love it? Oh. And this color theme, this pink and blue. I feel like you can't go wrong with pink and blue. They're very like popular, generally pleasing colors. And then we have Gudetama. Post-it notes. It's a lot of useful stationery. I don't think all of this is Halloween themed. Like, even though I love those Jimby-san stickers, they're not really Halloween themed. And I mean, I guess the fact that this orange is close to being Halloween themed, but it's really not Halloween themed. But it's very functional. And then these more snacks. Koala no machi. Koala match. I'm just looking at the thing on the side, the little notebook, and it doesn't really explain what this is. Could be the mystery gift maybe, but it says chocolate down here, so I guess these are just chocolate treats in the shape of a koala. And then, oh, this is like hair extensions. These are like fully hair extensions that you just clip on. Oh my gosh. I actually really like this idea. I don't have any hair extensions. I've just never... Firstly, hair extensions are actually really expensive, and I don't know, I just never done them before. I don't know why, because I love to cosplay. I have lots of wigs, like swimming in wigs, but no extensions. This is so cool. I'm actually going to try this out for myself just to see what it looks like, but I'm probably going to give it to my niece because I think she would love this. Although her hair's short now, I think she cut her hair, but she would love this. Okay, low-key, I thought this was a worm, but I think it's just like the cat tail if you hold it from this angle. But if you don't know what this is, it looks like a worm. And I was like, oh, that's very spooky. So I think this is a pen. So I think it's a Novelty Pen. that I can't seem to open for some reason. Okay, there we go. Yes, it's a pen. I'm not going to try it out because I don't really like to try out novelty pens because I don't actually use novelty pens. I tend to use them more for decoration. They're just not as comfortable long term, but this is like a bell. And then 2 more items. They all seem to be snacks. So this one is a piece of gum, color changing gum. Okay, that's going to be really interesting. And this last one is monster stamp candies. Okay, so lick these spooky candies and use them as stamps. Press these monster patterns on your hands. Okay, cool. I'm probably just going to eat them, although maybe my niece wants to try them out. I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, you can actually, they work as stamps, or you can eat them. I guess that's up to you. So yeah, that's everything in October's Kawaii unboxing video. I wish there was more Halloween stuff. Like, there is Halloween stuff in that there's a lot of edible stuff this month, which, to be fair, edible stuff is probably more value for money for me because I will consume all of them. But I wish there was a few more. Like, I think this is pretty much the only non-edible Halloween item, and I would love to see more. But it's still cute regardless. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.